I wanted to show how easy and quick adding workouts to the Good Coach app calendar is. It's a quick and repeatable operation, so it's easy to do if you work with many athletes. Let's start by adding a simple workout. Remember to assign the correct activity types to the correct sport type beforehand. This will make your work easier later on. After adding a workout, the first and easiest thing we can do with it is a simple copy and paste operation. Copy it to another day of the week. The workout is still stored in the clipboard, so we can copy it to another athlete and other days of the week. By the way, notice how easy it is to move your training plan from day to day. We have unpublished workout plans all the time, so the athlete doesn't see them. We can work on them before making them available. The next step is to be able to copy the whole week. Here, we follow the copy and paste principle as well. And that was a simple copy. Of course, if we have more repetitive workouts, we can save them as templates. Let's save one of the workouts we added as a template. Now we can add the template anywhere else in the week. Another helpful feature is the weekly templates. Here we can define a whole week of workouts for ourselves. And then we go to the calendar and can paste them in. Oh, deleting and publishing an entire week is also quick and easy. I hope this demonstration has shown you how easy it is to create a substantial number of training plans and be a really productive coach. Thank you for your attention.